A hill-cutting activity near Marutigad in the Mala area of Panjim has triggered public concern, prompting the city mayor and local residents to gather at the site on Friday. The accused behind the illegalities wanted to have an easy access to the road from his house, to which a makeshift way was built on government property. Residents expressed alarm over the environmental impact and potential safety hazards posed by the ongoing excavation.
Locals had gathered. See, now there's this property that even purchased and was being renovated. Now they have illegally filled this area, which is supposed to be settled government property. Now we had issued them a show cause notice and a stay order earlier. They have not they have not listened to that thing. So now I've instructed my staff to basically go down to the property and check and see whether there's any illegalities, what order they've defied, to file a case against this land filling and everything also. People have to understand, I don't know, that they can do this wherever else, but it's not in Panjim, especially against the will of the locals. We will not tolerate anything like this. So now we will follow our procedure. Whatever the next steps is, we will tell you later.
Second time झाला पहिली
That's what I'm saying. No, second time it's happened. These people have no respect also for government authorities or for anything. So now we will have everything removed. See, basically now all this land over there is government land. Now you're not allowed to fill that at all. Now they have an access from the bottom. Now what is happening? Because this is a shorter access, they want direct access to the road while illegally filling land, which is not correct also, and it's illegal. Now we'll check and see what are the illegalities they've done on their property. So we issued another stay order, and we let them have hearings, and we'll issue demolition for whatever is illegal.
सो हांगासर आतां जशें तुमी पळयता मारुती देवळाचे सकयले रोडार इल्लीगल सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान हिल कटींग लँड फिलिंग चालू आसा. हेच्या पयलीं तुमी पळयतले की 1 वर्सा पयलीं आमी अशीच बायट दिल्ली, अशेंच इल्लीगल काम चालू जाल्लें. रायन सिमिलेल्गो म्हणून एकटो आसा, ताणें ही प्रॉपर्टी घेतला, कळ्ळें तुका. सो पयलीं रेनोवेशन म्हणून सांगलें तेणी 1 पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी घेतली रेनोवेशन करपाक, बट नाव गो टू सी इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनूय केला, मेयर आयलो, सगळे हांगा रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ मला आयला, कमिटी आयला टेम्पलांतली, सगळे जाणां एकत्र जमलेले आसा फॉर अ सोल्युशन. बेसिकली आमकां एक सोल्युशन जाय. हांगा पोर्चुगीज टायमा वयल्यान हांगा हो कंपाऊंड आसा, जशें तुमी पळयतले फाटल्यान तो मोडून हांगा तेंच्यांनी लँड डायरेक्ट एक्सेस करूंक मेळटा. तांकां दुसरी जागो आसा झरी कडल्यान वयर येवपाक, बट तरी तांकां इजी एक्सेस टू द रोड जाय म्हणून तेंच्यांनी हांगा लँड फिलिंग केला. हेच्या पयलीं आमी कलेक्टरान CCPन सगळ्याक लेटर्स पेपर्स बी केल्ले आसा. एज यू सी हांगा लँड माती खूब मोव आसा, झाडां कट केल्ली आसा. ऑन वॉट परमिशन, ऑन वॉट बेसीस? हांगासर येतले स्पा, सलून, कसिनो रूम्स कितें करतले. आतां हितून कोण इनवॉल्व आसा आमकां खबर ना. मेयरान सांगलां नेसेसरी कितें इलिगल एक्शन तेंच्या सायडींतल्यान घेवंक जाय, स्टॉपेज आसूंक जाय, डेमोलिशन करपाक जाय, ते सगळे सील करपाक जाय. हांगा कंपाऊंड तेंच्यांनी मोडलेलो आसा, ते करून दिता म्हणून सांगलां. माती कितें आसा ती काडपाची, ती काडून दिता म्हणून सांगलां.